First of all, a vector has been created of 10 elements, 3 is added to each element, then 5 cross 5 matrix has been created, and then uh, transpose is taken, and then we are having a multiplication of two matrices, and then element multiplication of two matrices, and then we are having transpose of, then we are having column vector, that is transpose of this row vector will give column vector. Fourth row element are there, so element at 3 comma 4 will it will give, and it will give the inner sub matrix, that is from 2 to 4th. We are having the row and column 2 to 4th, and then we are deleting a column in this, and then in this we are deleting a row. After that, x is 4 cross 4, it has become c 5 cross 4 due to deletion of that, and this is I due to uh, sub matrix, and this is the element, this is the column vector, this is the multiplication, element wise multiplication, and this is proper multiplication, this is y, uh, that is transpose, this is x, these are the and this is a plus 3. Moving on to next, we are having graph save, this option. Okay, so this x has been taken over a range and two signals has been assumed. Subplot will give, this will give four subplots. Okay, and plot will give continuous line x. Okay, x label will give labeling of x-axis. Y label will give labeling of y-axis. Grid on will switch on the grid. Okay, and this legend will give what the line represents. Okay, and uh, two 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 variables are created and saved in mat, similarly in .txt, similarly in .xls, similarly in ASCII file, and then we are having a structure which is saved in .mat format. Then we are having and we are having again saving it mat format, and then appending one element, that is three elements will be there in example .mat. After that, we are assuming a C matrix where we are doing right cell, that is we are writing the elements in the cells of c.txt file, and then we are reading the cell using read cell, and then we are having a random matrix 3 cross 3 random matrix, and then we are right matrixing uh, in e.txt, in e.txt elements will be visible using type t.txt, and then read matrix, we are reading the matrix again e.txt, and putting it in f will be a matrix then. And then we are doing audio read of rm.m4a, and the sound will be we will listen audio. So I am shutting up and will run it. The elements in the ASCII file, whatever the elements in the ASCII file will come through this. So these are the elements in the ASCII file, these are the elements in the C file will come, whatever c.txt file we are having this element. D, we are having this is a test recording for MATLAB program. Repeat, this is a test recording for MATLAB program. So this we have listened that sound due to that rm.mp4 file. This is due to plot, this is legend, this is due to legend, this is y label, this is x label, this is grid has been switched on, this is due to stem, discrete points are there in cost both, and 2 power minus xt. So this was the plot, and elements in E are this, and which has been put in F after that. Okay, so D is the read cell. Okay, so moving on to the next, we are having expression. So a, b, and c has been assumed, and then expression has been written, and then we have displayed the expression. Roots has been calculated by minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a, and then we are having another equation over the range of 5 to 10. We are plotting it. When we run, we will get two roots, x1, we will get two roots. This is the expression. Then two roots is here, and the figure is this is the figure. So okay, and then moving to the next, we are having MATLAB commands. We are having we assumed a matrix. Replem will do repetition. Okay, simply repetition of the elements in A. Okay, replem will do repetition of the elements in A, and then we are having A2 A2 as a matrix, and then we are repetition of that matrix element along the column as twice. Okay, so this is A2 and this is A replem. Okay, repeated 1 2 3, and then we are having matrix 1 2 1 2 two times, and then we are having I that will give identity matrix, that will D will give zeros will give zero vector, ones will give one vector, and then we are having G, we have assumed 1 2 3, and then we are doing the reshaping uh, reshaping reshaping of G is 2 cross 2, and then we are having a vector, we are making it a vector. um, okay, 2 cross 2, then we are making it a vector 1 2 3 4 column vector, and then we are having again assuming a matrix, and then we are reshaping the multi-dimensional array into 8 cross 2, and then we are having h, we are assuming again reshaping is done. Sorry, h is assumed to be 1 2 3, and then concatenation has been done. Okay, concatenation, what we'll do 1 2 3, and then after that we will write 4 5 6. That is horizontal concatenation is, and we will write if any one is there, then we will write it here, and then vertical concatenation is there, then we will write here, and after that something comes, then we'll write here down, and then we are having diag that will give the that will make the array elements along the diagonal and make a matrix. If a matrix is passed, then it will give the diagonal elements of that matrix. Block diagonal will place the matrix along the uh, diagonal and make rest of the elements zero, and uh, and then we are having flip left to right. So from left to right the matrix has been flipped. One was here, one has come here, and up and down, one was here, one has come down, and then we are having rotate 90 degree. So 1 2 3 4 5 4 was there, it has come here, and then we are having then we are having then we are having triangular lower triangular, this lower triangular matrix made the upper element 0, and then we are having upper triangular matrix made the lower element 0, and then we are assuming a random matrix, and then we are permuting it. So permuting makes the rearranges the dimension. Okay, so 3 cross 4 is there, then it has become 4 cross 3. We are having another array element array, we are circularly shifting it. So 1 has come here, 2 has come here, and 3 has come here. So, and this will give the length will give the largest dimension, that is 4. So it is giving 4. If it is 4 cross 3, then it will give 4. If it is 4 cross 4, then also it will give 4. So then size is there, size is 1 cross 3. 1 cross 3 is the size, dimension, number of dimension, and dimension, number of dimension is 2. And then if it is empty, then it will return okay, number of elements is 3. So and then if it is empty, then it will give 1, otherwise it will give 0. So this x is empty, so this is giving 1, otherwise h is not empty, it will give 0. And then we are having loops and if else statements. So loop we are having, it will run till I is not equal to n. So I is as I is till I is less than n. So I is less than n, continue will not let the command to go here, continue will directly make it go here. So and break will break the loop, it will not let it move here, it will directly break it and come, let the command come here. Okay, so as it is printing I is equal to 4, and I is equal to 4, and sum we are calculating sum using for loop, and then using nested for loop we are writing the matrix elements, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then we are having if else statements. uh, if else statement, if first of all we are checking it, n is equal to 5. If it is n, then it will command will go here, otherwise and then we are checking if n is equal to 2, no, so command will go here in else statement. Okay, if n is so is n perfectly divisible by 3, no. So else, so if it is not satisfied, then only this then this condition will be checked. If both are if this is not satisfied and this condition is not, then it will go inside it. So yes, 4 is n is also not divisible by 4, so it will not go there, and so this will be printed. And then here this is leap year program, using for nested if else statement. It will go here, then here, then here. If it is satisfied, then here, then if it is this satisfied, then here, and then it will be printed. Yes, 2000 is divisible by all three, that it will be printed, and this will be ignored. and then we are having a is equal to 5, switch a 1 2 3, 1 2 3, we are making it one, we are checking where is 5, nowhere, 5 is not, so it will go to otherwise statement. If 3, yes it is 3, so it will not go to otherwise, it will go to here, it will come here, it will check where is 2, so here is 2, so here is 2, b is equal to 3 and 2, we will run it. So it has run successfully. Thank you. This was Aram Tabis, roll number 19 EC 01027.